Barney, Barney's Little Lessons. Be my friend, a little help with making friends. It was the perfect day to play, but Baby Bop was all by herself.
"Why don't you join the game?"
asked Barney.
"It looks like fun."
"I don't know anyone," sighed Baby Bop. Just then, a ball rolled over and stopped by her feet. "Can you roll my ball back, please?" called the little girl. "Okay," said Baby Bop, gently rolling the ball back. "I'm Stacy," said the little girl, rolling the ball back to Baby Bop. Baby Bop giggled and rolled the ball back again. "I'm Baby Bop!" Stacy and Baby Bop laughed while they played together. At the swings, Barney said,
"It looks like Jack needs a push, Baby Bop."
"Hang on, Jack!" yelled Baby Bop. "Whee!" Jack laughed. "I can almost touch the sky!" Baby Bop and Jack took turns pushing each other on the swings. At the slide, another little girl said, "Hi, I'm Amy. You can go first. I'll follow you." Baby Bop climbed up and slid down with a whoosh. Amy slid down after her. "Thanks," said Baby Bop. "I'm Baby Bop. Let's go again." Baby Bop was having a great time, and Barney had a great idea.
"Let's all play tag,"
he called. All the children gathered around him.
"Who wants to be it?"
asked Barney. I do, said Baby Bop, jumping up and down. "Catch me if you can," called Jack. "You can't take me," said Amy. "Come and get me," laughed Stacy. Baby Bop chased her friends all around. "This is so much fun," laughed Baby Bop.
"It's always more fun when you have friends to play with,"
said Barney. "You're right, Barney," said Baby Bop. "Tag, you're it!" Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Barney stories, check out my Barney playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.